Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector, and today I want to share with you some of our products. Okay, let's check the details for this one. First, you can look at here. The package is the VCI anti-rust bags. And for this kind of bags, on the surface there had the label. Yes, and the first line of the label there had the Shumatt logos. And if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us, and we can supply the customized services like the such as the logo, the label, and the packaging bag, and so on. For this part, it's the model. It's a product code F00RJ01865. And the application inject model number is the 044512009898, 0445120099, 0445120147, 0445120148. Okay, on this part it's a QR code and other informations on this label. Let's check the inside part. This is the inside part. Actually, we have two kinds of packages with the product, and today I want to show you this one. You can span it, open it like this, in this way. This is the inside part. Inside part we packed with the oil paper. Yeah, you can look at it here. The whole project, we not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate one. The separate one, you can look at it here. The separate, you can look at the valve cap. For the valve cap, there has some coating and the curved letters on this part, and this is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different lengths, we have different size. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all the details about our product. Actually, about our product, we have the 6-month warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us, and we can exchange the product for you. Except that we also want to share with you several tips. The first tip is if you want to clean it, you'd better clean it with oil. The second tip is if you want to install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in right position and the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details about our product. Actually, besides that, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, any items if you are interested, please welcome you to contact us. Each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Yes, if you like our product and if you are curious about our video and product, remember to follow us at our channel. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.